Today I am reviewing the ZZA 32-inch 4K UHD monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for a high-quality 4K monitor that balances stunning visuals, smooth performance, and ergonomic design, the ZZA 32-inch 4K UHD monitor is a game-changer. This monitor is designed for gamers, creatives, and professionals alike, delivering crystal-clear image quality and versatile functionality to suit a variety of tasks. Starting with the display, the ZZA monitor features a 32-inch 4K Ultra HD panel with a resolution of 3840 by 2160, providing incredible detail and sharpness. Whether you're editing photos, watching movies, or streaming your favorite shows, every image comes to life with vibrant colors and precision. The IPS panel ensures that color accuracy is maintained across wide viewing angles up to 178 degrees, meaning you'll enjoy consistent and true-to-life colors from virtually any position. With 100% sRGB coverage, this monitor is ideal for graphic design, photo editing, and other color-critical tasks, giving professionals confidence in their work. In terms of performance, the monitor supports a 60 Hz refresh rate combined with AMD FreeSync technology, providing smooth and fluid visuals. FreeSync dynamically synchronizes your monitor with your graphics card, eliminating screen tearing and stuttering. Whether you're gaming casually or watching fast-paced action content, the display remains smooth and responsive. Although it's not a high-refresh gaming monitor, the 60 Hz paired with FreeSync ensures comfortable and enjoyable motion clarity for most users. Connectivity options on this monitor are versatile and user-friendly. With HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4, you can easily connect laptops, desktops, or even gaming consoles. There's also a 3.5mm audio jack for headphones or external speakers, making it simple to integrate into your existing setup. This flexibility makes it a strong choice for anyone looking to combine work and entertainment on a single monitor. The design of the ZZA 32-inch monitor is sleek and modern. It features an ultra-thin bezel on 3 sides, which maximizes screen space and makes it perfect for multi-monitor setups. The stand is tilt-adjustable from -15 degrees to 15 degrees, allowing you to find the most comfortable viewing angle. Additionally, it's VESA 100 by 100mm mount compatible, giving you the option to mount it on a wall or monitor arm for an even cleaner and more ergonomic workspace. Finally, the build quality and support make this monitor a reliable choice. It is designed to offer consistent performance over long periods, and the manufacturer provides dedicated customer support to assist with any questions or issues. Whether you're a gamer, a professional, or someone who wants an immersive media experience, this monitor delivers great value and performance in a sleek, modern package. In conclusion, the ZZA 32-inch 4K UHD monitor is a versatile and high-quality display with vivid colors, smooth performance, and ergonomic design. It's perfect for gaming, productivity, or creative work, and its wide connectivity options and adjustable setup make it a practical addition to any workspace or home setup. If you're looking for an affordable 32-inch 4K monitor with reliable performance and excellent color accuracy, the ZZA monitor should definitely be on your list.